Welcome to a day of my life as a stay-at-home mom. It is currently Sunday, December 1st, and it sounds like Disney World in my house, per usual. And he's off. We currently have on Beauty and the Beast, the Christmas edition. And also, I just had to take away these dolls. My daughter loves her dollhouse, but these ones that came with it, they break very easily. And so, I think I need to order some new ones that are, I don't know, a little bit more durable. Is that what I'm looking for? My husband said that he would be down in a couple minutes. I don't know what he's doing upstairs, but I know that it's my time to go and work out. So I'm pretty excited. What are we doing? Okay, Miss May, we need to stop leaving our milk all over the place. Okay, literally not me realizing that I was actually holding 2 pairs of sweatpants in my hands when I tried to do that cute transition. Let's go work out. This is our little gym setup. I've been getting to the gym twice a week consistently for about 2 months now, and I'm trying to do at least 1 to 2 home workouts as well during the week, but let's be honest, that hasn't been happening. So I want to get better at it. I need to get back into a routine. All right, cardio's done. Now I'm gonna do a little bit of abs. Now I think I'm gonna shower. All right, workout done. Everything okay in here? Grayson is currently napping, and Carl is with the Kennedys still, and then I'm gonna head downstairs in a second, and then Kennedy and I are gonna do her gingerbread house, and then it's Carl's turn to go and do whatever he wants to do for a couple hours. So I'm currently putting on a little bit of makeup. This is what I do when I want it to look like I'm put together and have a little bit of makeup on, but I don't. I know y'all are gonna say, you didn't put moisturizer on, or primer or foundation. I know this. I'm not, again, I am the epitome of that coworker that says this is how you're supposed to do it, but this is how I do it. Okay, a little bit of brow gel. This brow gel actually has some color to it, so it just kind of helps my eyebrows look a little bit bolder. So am I wearing makeup? Technically yes, but it doesn't really feel like it, you know? It is just before 1 p.m. I'm going to assemble Kennedy's gingerbread house. It's pink. That's fun. And then while that's drying, I'm gonna make myself a salad. So let's try and figure this out. It's a weird shape, so. Okay, it is complete. We had a couple of little issues, but I think it looks pretty good. Yes, there is supposed to be a hole there apparently. So I think I did it perfect. And now to quickly make something for lunch before the kiddos get up. I don't have time to grill chicken, so I'm making my salad without grilled chicken on it. Complete, and I might have some tuna and crackers. Okay, I ate my salad really quick because then I heard movement upstairs. Okay, Kennedy's door is open. I told you, you cannot be this handsome. You can't be this handsome. Yeah. I just realized that I'm making broccoli cheddar soup tonight for dinner, and I forgot to get cheddar cheese. So, who wants to run out with me? If y'all want to know what my husband is doing with his couple of hours to himself, he is doing the lawn, something to the lawn, and then I just went out to talk to him, and it looks like something ate our lawnmower. So we need a new lawnmower. But anyways, I found this on the counter. Carl made bacon this morning, and there was just like a paper towel sitting on top. So I think that he was trying to drain it to like save the bacon grease. So now I'm gonna go ahead and season my cast iron because Carl made eggs on it, and it needs to be seasoned. He just scared me. He just went up to the window and he was just watching me, waiting for me to look. Excuse me, sir. Knock it off. And now it is Miss Rachel and chill time, and someone is trying to take the remote out of my hand. And now it is 3:30, and it is at the point of the day where I just let everyone run around and crawl around. Let's get all the energy out, you know? It's approaching dinner time. Okay, so a little update. We all took a little family nap from 5:30 to 6:30. So now it is 6:45, and I just got a whole chicken in the oven. I'm hoping that it'll be done in like 5 minutes, but it's probably gonna take like over an hour. So this is why we eat dinner so late. But to go with the whole chicken, I am also making some broccoli cheddar soup. So stay tuned because I am posting the recipe in the video for that. It's so easy. Honestly, it's a lot easier than most people think. There is no carrots though in this one today, just because I don't know if carrots are cool to eat yet or not, you know? We're doing a little bit of Miss Rachel. Hi, Dexter. Oh my goodness, you look extra handsome today. Okay, I don't have to show you all this, but I'm gonna show you. I'm just being honest. We're gonna fold our laundry. That is our clean clothes pile. Okay, it is currently 9:42, and we're gonna put a little documentary on, and yeah, that is the day. Anyways, let me know if y'all like the long types of vlogs. Today was not very exciting. Today was very boring, very mundane. Is that the word? Anyway, let me know, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye. This hair. My goodness. This hair.